Everybody, welcome to another video. Today we're doing a math video. So how can you make a pie graph? So let's start off with a main question for this whole video. So John wants to know what he spends most of his day doing, but he wants to visualize it, so he uses a pie graph. So the number one thing is to get your information. So the information shows that John spends 8 hours sleeping, 10 hours working, 3 hours on his phone, 1 hour eating, 1 hour reading, and 1 hour playing soccer. So first, you have to use uh, all of this information to make it into an angle. But how do you make this information into an angle? Well, first thing you have to do is add up all the numbers that you have. So for me, there's 8 there's 8, 10, 3, 1, 1, 1, which altogether is 24. But let's just say you had 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. You get like 40. So yeah. And then you divide each of these numbers by 24. So all of these numbers uh, divided by 24 is the first one, sleep, is 0.33. Working is 0.141666667. The phone is 0.125. Eating is 0.041666667. And the same number goes for reading and soccer. So after that, you have to make it into an angle. So you times it by what? Most people would say 100, but that's how you make it into a percent. To make it into an angle, you have to multiply it by 360. The uh the That's how many degrees are in a circle, 360. So which makes sense. So all of these numbers multiplied by 360 is, so each of these as a angle are 119.9, 150, 45, 15, 15, 15. So now that you have all of these numbers, they'll all equal to about 360. Look, there'll be little decimals and stuff there, which will be quite long to write and aren't too important. So next thing you need is to get a circle. The first thing you do is you find the exact middle of the whole circle. So the radius with, yeah. And then you pinpoint it. And then you make a line from one side to the other. And that'll be your starting line. Sorry if it's not the straightest, but it's kind of hard to use a ruler on a computer. And same with the angle. It might be a little off because I don't have I do have a protractor, but I can't use it on a computer. So let's start off with sleeping. So it's a 119. So it's about like this. And then work is 150, which is a little bit more than this. So it'll be like here, I'm guessing. Then the phone is 45. So it'll be like here. And then soccer and reading will be like this. So I'll just make it a little easier for you guys to see them. Or yeah. So the blue is sleep. Yeah. This is what you should also put a legend on the side. So the blue is asleep. Working is gonna be red or like orange. And then then you know which one's which. And then your phone time will be green. And then eating will be black. Oh yeah, get this one. Eating will be black. reading will be yellow, and watching and playing soccer would be purple. So this is how you make a pie graph. I hope you guys learned something today, and have a good day, and see you in the next video.